guys, it's Emma. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Emma. I think you'll like it here. So make sure to subscribe to become part of the Coffee Bean Squad. And if you're not already, you really need to because you're really going to like it here. We really are positive here. We like to spread positive vibes. We like to make people feel good about each other. So I have a challenge for you all today. I'm going to comment something and you'll have to reply to each other. You can just say random things like hello, what's up, blah, 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 blah. And you have to compliment the person who commented. And so you can compliment anyone. You can say like, oh, you have pretty eyes. Oh, you have pretty hair. Oh, I like your YouTube username. Just random stuff like that. So yeah, today we're going to be reviewing the Nickelodeon slime kit.
2 white glue, 2 ounces each, 2 ounces each, 1 bottle of slime activator, 2 pots of neon color, each, 1 pot, okay, 2 pots of neon color each, they're, like 5 millimeters each, 1 pot of glow color, 5 millimeters, 1 measuring cup, 2 cups with lids, 3 slime sticks, 2 mixing bowls, 1 spoon, and easy to follow instructions.
And this is for ages 6 and up, so this should be fairly easy. And if I cannot do this,
Okay, I'm gonna pour the glue in. Oh, goodness, this is like the biggest fail ever. Okay, this measuring cup is like so bad. Okay, I'm just gonna scrape the size. This is what they want you to mix with the slime, but I feel like, how big is the slime gonna be? It's gonna be like the size of like a quarter. I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna pour the water in. Seriously, what the heckle? Ew, got on me, it got on me, it got on me. Ew, ew. Oh my gosh, yes, we're gonna do hot pink. Yes, this is so cute. This is gonna be awesome. Oh, what is happening? Ew! Ew, that's so gross! That looks like unicorn poop. I think I'm doing something wrong. Maybe not. It looks like this stuff is forming. I don't know though. Okay, so you know what? I don't want to use measurements. I'm gonna be a rebel, yo. Oh gosh, it's that thing again where you have to like pop it open. Okay, I think that's about 5 milliliters. It's coming together, guys. Guys, it's coming together. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is so cool and fun. Whoa, guys, I'm actually not failing at this. I thought for sure I'd totally fail. I'm awesome. Look at this. It's kind of like putty, but like it's cool. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. I'm definitely liking this. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Hands are like really dirty, but honestly, that's what you get when you make slime kits. Your hands get messy. And I'm trying to pick up as much as I can, but this weird goop thingy, and it's not focusing. This weird goop thingy doesn't pick up anything. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna give a review now. This slime isn't a slime. This is like a jiggly, weird goo. It's really sticky. every little time you add activator, it barely works. I mean, it's like, it holds itself together, but like if it gets on your hands for too long, it stays like forever. It smells disgusting. Like it has a gross smell. I'm gonna sanitize my desk. The clocks, earth clocks, are nice. I like them. I've realized that this was a huge mistake. You know, an 8 out of 10. Actually, a 7 out of 10 because it does not glow. But oh my gosh, it smells disgusting. Why does it do this? Okay, hold on. I gotta get like a picture for the thumbnail. I gotta add like weird things to the thumbnail, like slime and like. Okay. Yeah, so comment down below what you guys rate this. I don't really know how to rate this. I have mixed emotions about it. I think you guys can kind of guess the texture just by looking at it through your screen. I mean, it has nice locks. I'm gonna do some quick ASMR, so enjoy.